I'm Niharika. Well, in today's lesson, we are going to look at the word fit in English that can be used in a lot of different ways. Now, there are many words in English that can be used in different ways. In this lesson today, we are particularly going to try to fit the word fit in different English expressions and learn how to use it in your conversation. So, we are going to look at the first expression that we have here on the board, which is fit and healthy. Now, when do you use this expression, or when do you use the word fit? Well, when you are in good health, when you do not have any medical issues, any medical complaints, and you are physically fit, that is when you say that, look at that girl, she looks really fit to me. So when you are in good health, you use the word fit. And it's important for us to exercise on regular basis and of course eat healthy food to stay fit, right? So this is the way you can use the word fit. Let's move on to another expression, which is, will it fit? When do you use this? Well, you use the word fit when you are talking about the right size or the right shape that it is intended for. For example, you go to a store and you love a t-shirt for yourself and you try it on and then you feel that maybe it's just too tight for you. So here you're going to use the word fit. You're going to say, oh, the t-shirt doesn't fit me well. Or probably the t-shirt is way too loose. So you can again use the word by saying that, oh, it doesn't fit me well. So when something is of the right size or the right shape that is intended for, you use the word fit. You go buy shoes, you try it on, and if it just fits perfectly, you're gonna say, hey, look, it just fits me very well, right? So that's how you can use this word. Let's move on to the third expression, which is fit the bill. Now, someone who fits the bill has all the qualities that are required for something. For example, the new vice president of the company just fits the bill. Now it means that this vice president who has been hired has all the qualities and has a great experience to do good for this company. So you are appreciating his qualities, and that's exactly the reason why you're using the expression he fits the bill. So to fit the bill can be used for someone who has all the qualities and of course experience to do great. All right? Let's move on to the fourth expression, which is to fit something. To fit something. So here I'm talking about to fit a device. So when you intend to install something or to fix something, that is when you use the word fit. For example, I need to fit in a fire alarm in my house. So I'm thinking of installing a fire alarm. Now, I'm not using the word installing, but then the other word that I can use in English is fit. So I'm going to say that I need to fit a fire alarm in my house. So when you're talking about installing a device or installing something or fixing something, you use the word fit. Okay? Let's move on to another expression, which is to have a fit. Now this expression has two meanings. The first is used as a medical term to describe a seizure. Okay, when a person is having a seizure, you say that, oh my God, he's having a fit. Okay, so it's used to describe a seizure. And the other way to use this expression is when someone acts erratically, someone who just goes crazy with anger. Yes, there are many people who are really short-tempered and they just totally lose out and they show their anger. So you can say that, oh my God, look at him, he's throwing a fit. So someone who's just acting crazily, throwing tantrums and showing off that anger, you can use this expression. So for example, John threw a fit this morning when he saw his car damaged. His car was damaged and he didn't know who damaged it. So of course that's going to make him angry and therefore he started throwing a fit. So it means that he expressed anger. Alright, let's move on to another expression which has the word fit, is fit for purpose. Now when do you use this? When someone is just well suited or apt for a purpose or for something. Now, for example, the new teacher in our school just fits for purpose. So here it means that this new teacher who's been hired is just so qualified and she's just perfect with the students and she's great with her subject that she's teaching. So you are using the expression fit for purpose. So she is just apt for teaching students, and that's how you can use this expression. Alright, and then let's move on to the last expression that I have for you with the word fit is to fit in. Now there are times when you meet new people, yes, and probably you're not very comfortable because you're meeting them for the first time. You don't know what to talk to them and you're not great at your social skills and you get a little nervous. But if you get really friendly, especially with the people whom you're meeting for the first time, that is when you can use the expression to fit in. You can say, oh, he absolutely fit in the crowd. So which means that you were absolutely comfortable with the new people. Like kids, when they start going to the school, they're not very comfortable. They're away from their parents and it's just such a new thing for them, a new environment for them. But then eventually they fit in. So which means that yes, it takes time, but then they start feeling a little comfortable with their teachers and with their friends. So they fit in, right? So that's how you can use this expression. So these are the 7 expressions that has the word fit and that can be used in different ways. So start using them in your daily conversations and I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.